Today I'm going to try to answer a question that a lot of people ask. If the Trinity is true, why isn't the word Trinity in Genesis? The answer is very simple in reality. The doctrine of the Trinity wasn't invented later. It was actually revealed progressively. He gave hints in the Old Testament and then fully revealed himself through Jesus Christ and the Holy Spirit in the New Testament. The Trinity does not teach three gods. The Bible teaches there is one God who exists eternally as the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. An example would be Deuteronomy 6:4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. We have always believed this since Moses. The Trinity is not three gods or beings working together. The Trinity is one divine being, one divine nature shared fully by three distinct persons. The Father is Yahweh, the Son is Yahweh, and the Holy Spirit is Yahweh. In Genesis 1:1, it says, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. Everything begins with Yahweh. Immediately after, we read, then in Genesis 1:2, the earth was without form and void, and the Spirit of God hovered over the face of the water. Really fast, let's look at this. The Spirit isn't created. He is already there before creation is even finished, and that the Holy Spirit is active in creation. Then something amazing happens in Genesis 1:3. And God said, let there be light. So Yahweh creates by speaking, and John tells us exactly who that word is in John 1:1-3. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. All things were made through him. So who is the Word? In John 1:14, it says, and the Word became flesh. This is pointing to Jesus Christ. So when Genesis says, God said, John tells us the eternal Word through whom God created is Jesus. Even Paul confirms it. In Galatians 1:16-17, it says, for by him all things were created through him and for him. Then we can go to Hebrews 1:2, through whom also he made the universe. So we see the Father creates, the Son is the eternal Word, through him creation comes, and the Holy Spirit is present, working in accordance, one work, three persons, one God.